What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Omni. Wanted to give you my thoughts. It's a new crypto launched via the Binance launch pool, which is always interesting. The market circumstances, of course, at this moment are not ideal. And you see most cryptos, and that's also the case with Omni. I mean, in these market circumstances, what happens is that if the market is bullish and the market has a lot of momentum, what happens is that people have money, all right, and people are willing to put money into new coins, even if the valuation is quite high, which I'm actually not sure what the valuation for Omni is right now. But that's the case. Like there's liquidity, there's volume that can be pumped into new cryptos. And what happens if the market is not doing great is that money isn't there. All right, so people see a new crypto and they think, well, all right, historically new cryptos that launched via Binance launch pool have done great at some point of time, but do I want to risk it? My portfolio is down 20%. Do I really want to risk it? And for most people, the answer is no. So that's also what's going on with Omni right now. We're trending down, all right? This trend line may be broken, but if you look at the trend right now, we're making lower highs, we're making lower lows. So we are bearish. Now, it's still the case. I mean, right now, what's always the case is that Bitcoin, for example, turns around. All right, so if Bitcoin turns bullish here, that could have a positive effect on Omni. And apart from that, like I said, Binance launch pool projects, most of them have actually done great at some point of time after their launch. All right, and Omni has just launched. So I do think that there is a potential for Omni to rally. And we'll talk about that in this video. I'll tell you what I'm looking for to buy Omni. Because I do think that there are opportunities here. I mean, the market cap right now is 260 million, which if you compare that to other cryptos that launched, that's actually quite low. The volume is also pretty good. It's like over 500 million, I think. Yeah. And you can see that the momentum is growing here. So I do think, and apart from that, to add on to that, Omni is also backed by some pretty big partners, right? So with Jump Crypto, Pantera Capital, that's quite bullish as well. So the main thing to watch is just for this trend to reverse. All right. So right now we're in a downtrend. If we're in a downtrend, there's no reason to buy. All right. People always say buy the dip, but in a downtrend the dip keeps dipping. All right. So what you have to do is you have to buy the reversal. You have to buy the break of the downtrend. So at this moment we're still trending down. It's almost impossible for me to say what level we need to break, because if we will continue to drop down, then the level that we need to break will just lower as well. Because what we need to see is just a bullish breakout. So for example, when the price was right here at 27.5, we needed to break above the previous support level, which was $30, which we just rejected off of that. And right now you can also see, I think the best way to go about this is the 50 EMA. All right, so the 50 EMA very often also lines up with the previous support level, and we need to break above the previous support level. So a support level that held up the price, but that we broke down below. Because then what happens, I'll draw this for you, is that you have a support level, price is on top of that, we break down below that, we find support somewhere else. If the price then breaks above that support level again, then that's a change of the structure. Then the downtrend changes, or it can change into an uptrend. So that's what we're waiting for. Thank you for watching my beautiful drawing. And for now, I think it's most likely we'll just continue to fall down. All right, so right now the next main support level is 22.5. After that, it's probably $21/$20. After that, probably 17.5. So what you should expect is that we will keep dropping down, and you need to keep your eyes. For example, right now, the main level we need to break is 25.5. If we can break above that, while Bitcoin is also a little bit more bullish, then I will consider buying. Until that point of time, it's just much more likely that we'll fall down lower. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.